Today I'm going to be doing a quick review of this Segarty brand pour over ceramic coffee maker, and I really do love this thing. Let's make some coffee really quick so you can see firsthand how it works, and we'll talk about what's good and bad. So I've got my setup here. Of course, you're going to need a filter. You can check out the bottom of this cup. See, it has those 3 holes just like that. Feels nice. We've had it for about 3 years. And I'm just going to put my filter inside the cup just like that. Just had the water boil, and I just ground these beans today. This is some organic coffee. I recommend you start with a good coffee, but I'm going to make enough for about 2 people to have a good sized cup. So I'm going to put a couple of tablespoons in there, and we are ready to pour. All right, so I've got our boiling water here. You can see down in there, and we'll just start to pour. And I like to start it off slow so it kind of imitates how a drip coffee maker would work. And one of the things that I like about this compared to drip coffee makers is that there's no plastic involved. And I think that that is potentially something that makes it taste better, but it also could potentially be something that's just a healthy choice, if you know what I mean. We're going here, you can see, so we've got it started. Now the only downside is that it takes a little bit of time. It's not too much time, but I think my point is that if you had a super large amount that you brewed, then it might have a chance to get cooled down quicker than your traditional style drip coffee maker that has the heating pad on the bottom. But if you are going to drink it right away, and especially if you're going to make an amount that's like up to a quart that you're going to have for yourself or share with somebody else right away, then it's still very nice and hot when it finishes. And so you can see I'm just adding a little bit more water to this as it goes through the filter, and we'll go ahead and take a look from a different angle so you can see it's going through nicely, and it's going to be delicious. To put things in perspective, I recently used this tea filter to make some coffee without the ceramic, and it works great as far as filtering some of the grounds out of it, but it's better for tea. And something like this ceramic pour over coffee maker is just superior because of how good the coffee tastes without any grounds in it whatsoever. And if you choose a good coffee, it's obviously going to be really good. And we'll just pour a little bit more in here, and you can see it's not going to take too long, but this is going to be plenty hot, probably too hot for me to drink. We're going to go ahead and sample this in just a second. I'd say it's just about ready to drink. So I'm going to go ahead, got a little bit more left in there, so I'm going to pour this in here just like that. And that is a nice looking clear cup of coffee. Like I said, still plenty hot right now. I'm going to go ahead and test it out. And I'd say delicious. So I really love this Segarty pour over ceramic coffee maker. I hope you liked my review. If you did like this review, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and share this video. If you want to help support this channel, please use the links in the description or scan the QR code in this video to purchase, and I will see you next time. Thank you so much for watching. Cheers.